our nation was born in crisis. When we were granted independence, it was in the expectation that we would fail and come crawling back. We proved otherwise. And that has been our Singapore story. In crisis, we have never failed to wrest opportunity from danger. Now, at another hinge in our history, it is our turn to face the crisis of a generation. The choices that we make now will define who we are as a people and what values and ideals we pass on to future generations. But despite these immense challenges, I say to you, do not fear. Do not lose heart. Singapore will not falter in its onward march. If you fall down, we will help you to get up stronger.
சிங்கப்பூரில் யாரும் தனித்து பரிதவிக்க வேண்டிய நிலைக்கு தள்ளப்பட மாட்டார்கள்.
Masa depan kita berada dalam genggaman kita. Saya yakin kita mampu untuk menjamin masa depan yang cerah untuk Singapura. 要取得成功，实现理想，我们还要有一个不可或缺的元素，那就是一个坚韧团结的社会。Together, let us take Singapore safely through this crisis and make the Singapore spirit flourish in the world.